If you are also feeling stuck, lost, or just completely unmotivated right now, then please don't scroll away. Just sit with me for a few minutes because I really want to talk to you. Yes, I know this feeling. That feeling where nothing makes sense. You don't feel like doing anything, or maybe you are just tired of waiting for that one day when you will suddenly feel inspired to change everything. But that day never comes, right? And you are stuck again and again in the same place, thinking, why can't I just start? Why can't I just move forward? So, let me tell you something that took me so long to understand, which is motivation is not the answer for everything every time. I know, we all wait for motivation like it's some kind of magic. We all watch motivational videos, we read quotes, and we always look for that one push that will change our life. But honestly, motivation is like a guest who comes and goes. Look, sometimes motivation is also good, but you should not depend on it. If you just wait for motivation every time to take actions, then you are just wasting so much of your time on waiting. I know that there are some times when your life feels heavy, or you might feel confused about where you are going, and you think that something is wrong with you. But trust me, that's not true. Because feeling stuck is a part of our life, and it doesn't mean that you are broken. It simply means that you are in a phase where you need to slow down and just breathe. There might be so many thoughts going on in your head. You don't have to have it all figured out right now. You might also have heard people that we need to have big plans in our lives so that we can achieve great things. Well, it's kind of true to some extent, but when you are in a phase where you are so confused or you are feeling stuck, you don't need to create big plans. What you actually need right now is to just take one small step. That's it. No 10, no 20, just one. And I know even that one step feels so hard when you are not feeling good inside. But you know what I've learned so far? You don't have to feel motivated to take actions. And it kind of hit me. We don't really think about this because we are always waiting for some kind of magic. But in reality, we just need to start. Like literally get up and do one small thing. And it could be anything. Maybe it's making your bed. Maybe it's taking a shower. Maybe it's writing down how you're feeling right now. And you know what happens when you just do one small thing? Our mind slowly starts to feel a little clearer. Like, for example, if you're writing down how you are feeling right now, after a few minutes, you'll realize that half of your worries are completely gone. Or maybe you are making your bed, and after doing it, your mind will be more active to do another task. And these small things or tasks creates energy, and that energy creates more actions. And that's how change begins. Quietly, slowly, not with the motivation, but with movements. So please don't wait for the perfect day, perfect feeling, or perfect moment because it might not feel like right moment right now. You have to make it right. And you can create it by showing up, even when you don't feel like it, even if it's messy, or even when you are tired. But you keep showing up, not because you are motivated, but you know your future self will thank you for not giving up on yourself. Also, I really want you to stop being so hard on yourself. Believe me, we all go through this, and even I'm not an exception. We all are human beings, and it's totally normal to feel this way. And being a human means we have to go through ups and downs. But those who have the courage to deal with this and to stand up again for themselves are the real heroes for the future. So please don't forget to be kind to yourself in this phase. And you don't need to rush, but you do need to remind yourself that you are capable of more than you think. So if you are feeling stuck right now, I want you to remember that you are not alone. You are not the only one going through this, and this feeling won't last forever. Just do one small thing today Not because you feel motivated, but because you are stronger than your excuses. And I promise that things will start to move. Slowly, but they will. So that's it for this video. Share it with someone who really need to hear this, and don't forget to comment your reviews. Also, if you found this video really helpful, then do subscribe this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep improving and don't give up.